Love can be one of the most powerful connections we experience. But sometimes, that connection fades. If you've ever wondered how to recognize the early signs, you are not alone. Today, we're diving into the psychology of love and the two key things people often do when they start falling out of love. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but when love starts to fade, subtle changes can speak volumes. These aren't just guesses, they're behaviors rooted in human psychology. The first thing you might notice is emotional distance. This doesn't mean big fights or loud arguments, it's quieter than that. When someone loses their love for you, they often stop sharing their feelings and experiences. Conversations feel hollow. Where they once asked about your day, now there's silence, or worse, disinterest. Psychologists call this emotional withdrawal. It's a sign they're detaching, even if they don't realize it yet. The second big sign is a lack of effort. Love thrives on care, attention, and small gestures. But when someone's feelings fade, their actions often follow. They may forget things they once prioritized, like your favorite coffee order or important dates. This isn't always intentional. It's a gradual shift. Over time, their focus on the relationship diminishes as their emotional connection fades. Now, you're probably wondering why this happens. Falling out of love is rarely sudden. Studies suggest that unresolved conflicts, unmet needs, or even external stressors can create emotional distance over time. Here's the good news: emotional distance and effort can often be repaired. The key is recognizing these signs early and addressing them honestly. Start with an open conversation. Share how you feel and ask what's been on their mind. Sometimes, a small misunderstanding is all it takes to cause a disconnect. Of course, not every relationship can be saved, and that's okay too. Letting go of someone who no longer feels the same is painful, but it can also be the first step toward healing and finding someone who values you fully. Love is never easy, but understanding these signs can help you navigate the ups and downs. Remember, you deserve a love that's mutual and lasting. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into relationships and human psychology. Let me know if you'd like me to tweak this script or add any specific elements.